And we're back to HTML SVG, and this is the final video in my playlist for it. I'm going to make it about animation, but it's more like an introduction, because animation is a big topic in itself. I'm going to make another playlist for it in the future. But in general, you can add animations to your SVGs. Let us create a simple circle right here. This time you need a closing tag, and inside you place the animation. So animate, I have to close it. The attribute names are given, so if you, for example, want to add something, an animation in this case, to the fill, you have to use fill for the attribute name. And we want to have it so that the fill color changes. We'll stick to RGB, so we'll go from red to blue. It's red from the start, but it doesn't really change to blue yet. To do that, we'll have to define a duration for it. Let us make it 10 seconds. And now you can see it gradually transforms the fill from red to blue. And when it reaches blue, it jumps to black and it ends. If you want to have an indefinite animation, we'll have to set a repeat count to indefinite. And now we have red to blue, and the moment it becomes blue, it changes to red again. Then we go down with the duration so that we can see quicker. So red to blue, and then you've got this jump cut, you could say, in the animation. By default, the begin is set to 0 seconds, but you can also adjust this. So maybe you want to have a little bit of a loading time or something added, so add 1 second or so. As I've said, this was just an introduction to animation. I'm going to make more videos about this, but I hope this video has already helped you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.